And Germany's national football coach Julian Nagelsmann is now the 8th manager to either leave or be dismissed for their post following World Cup elimination. Nagelsmann stepped down after an early exit from the round of 32, where Germany lost to Paraguay 4-3 on penalties. The German, who's been facing public criticism concerning the nationals' team performance, was hired in September 2023, and his contract extended in January 2025 until 2028. However, the decision to end Nagelsmann's duty was reached in a meeting with top officials from the German Football Federation DFB on Monday. Before this World Cup exit, the four-time champions Germany were eliminated in the group stage in 2022 and 2018. Now, the German Football Association have set their sights on former Liverpool manager Jurgen Klopp, confirming they will hold talks with him over the vacant head coach position. Klopp's managing track record includes 2 German championships with Borussia Dortmund and a Premier League Champions League victory with Liverpool FC. Klopp is currently the head of global soccer for Red Bull, and the DFB has confirmed his interest in managing the team. The 7 other teams to have either sacked their coaches or seen resignations are Czechia, Ecuador, Korea Republic, the Netherlands, Scotland, and Tunisia and Paraguay.